She's crazy about you, bro. Like, right now.
Yeah.
As you are.
And you're in love with her.
But you gotta go after her.
It's not that simple.
No, it is that simple.
Come on, man. Don't be scared.
It's about moments, man. That's all that matters. You gotta learn to say, forget the world and hang on to the people that you care about the most.
Oh, God! Oh, my God! What the hell was that? That scared the shit out of me.
Did you know that? It's like an earthquake.
You guys,
where are you?
What was that?
Who was that?
Hey, you all right? You see anything? No. Hey, Marlena, are you okay?
Guys, you got
Okay.
Oh, wait, here we go.
Wait,
Everyone quiet down. Here we go. All right?
But now,
Shut up.
Guys, come on.
minutes after word of a possible earthquake in Lower Manhattan, nearby in New York Harbor, we're getting word of an oil tanker capsizing in the middle of the harbor near the Statue of Liberty. Once again,
That's really close.
there's no way to know if any of this is connected.
Let's shoot. What, do you think you could see something in the roof?
Oh, maybe.
Sure.
Want to go to the roof? Let's go see if we can see something in the roof. Let's go to the roof. Huh?
Yeah, let's go up there.
I don't think we should.
What do you think? You think it's another terrorist attack?
It's insane, man.
Shaking everywhere, man. It's like tremors.
Yeah, it's only this downstairs.
So is this the only light that went out?
No, a couple did. Some stayed on.
Man, what is going on? Maybe you should have left town a little bit earlier, right? Shit. Go! Did you guys just see that?
Get down. You all right?
Did you guys see that?
All right? There are people still out there.
Rob, hey Rob, I saw it. Rob.
What?
Rob, I saw it. It's alive.
Jason, what are you doing?
Jason, where are you going?
Just wait. Jason, don't go out.
Jason, don't!
Lily, just wait here.
Hey Rob, where's he going, dude?
Jason!
Rob.
Marlena?
Oh, God.
You okay? Wait, come here, sit down.
That's the sound. It's making it. It's moving.
You saw something, right? So what did you see? You said it was alive? What was it?
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I was taping. Oh, yeah, I can show you. Hey, you guys, I have it on tape.
Rewind it. What do you rewind it?
Yeah, here, let me rewind.
It's a great opportunity for
Yeah, but I don't even speak the language.
Oh, come on. How hard can it be?
It's Japanese. It's Japanese hard.
It'll be fine.
You really think I should go? That makes no sense. That makes no sense.
See it? I don't know what it was. The first time it was giant. It was like, you didn't see that thing. Oh, that was something against the other tape.
Hey, guys.
Calm down, quiet, guys.
All right, come on, just shut up. Right? We don't know what we saw. The point is, it's still here. All right, so we get the hell out of Manhattan. Now. And after the Brooklyn Bridge. I think it's the best plan. Street shots. Yeah, just take the room. Now, do you know how far that is? Brooklyn is right there. No, dude. It's so much closer. It's right here.
What's going on?
I think we're gonna get out of here. Is she okay to...
Okay, yeah, okay. Marlena, we're gonna get out of here, okay? No, who's eating people? Who's eating it? Okay, come here. I don't...
Go. Is anyone's phone working? What? Bud, is your phone working?
What? No. Shit, I left it in the apartment.
There's no signal,
You're
right?
not getting signal either?
No, come on.
Hud, come on.
What? Okay.
Excuse me, officer. Do you know what was that thing? What was it? You're not injured. You got to keep moving, man. Let's go. Let's go, people. Let's go.